The top responsibilities for this fiber role are going to be generating sales for small and mid-sized businesses. We do that by providing creative and innovative solutions, whether it's fiber, mobility, cloud, and security. It's all the latest and greatest technology, and it's all under one company.
The role of a sales executive is someone that's great at maintaining relationships and creating new ones. This role is big on being available for your customers. Sometimes the client doesn't want to know how much you know. Sometimes it's how much you care for that customer, and that's really what drives the business.
In this role, it's just as important to keep customers happy than to go out and find new ones. So you have to be in touch with these customers, making sure as their business grows, we can provide what they need. My day-to-day in this role can vary, but in a good way. I'm at the office some days, or I'm out on sales calls. It makes us accessible to the customer, allowing us to generate sales, and it provides a good work-life balance for us as well.
AT&T has a lot of incentives that keep us engaged. We have Blitz Days, which is great. Blitz Days consist of how many appointments are you generating? How many opportunities are you loading into Salesforce?
The way our team stays engaged is through healthy competition. We're in the group chats discussing sales, going over best practices, and of course, everyone's chasing after those incentives. The trips, the money, and the iPoints. Because who doesn't love prizes?
You gotta be tech savvy. You gotta be tech savvy, you gotta be competitive, you gotta be self-motivated, you gotta be very disciplined in this role. At the end of your day, you gotta ask yourself, was I productive?
You have to be a sponge in this role. You're always gonna be learning something new, and technology is always changing.
So we're compensated very, very highly. Just depends on how much work you put into it. I'm getting paid off of salary plus commission.
The compensation for this role is amazing. Between mentorship and coaching, you're able to hit those targets and be paid out very well.
If you really want to make some good money, you have to put in the work. One thing I love about AT&T with training is it's endless. You have so many PLE courses. Every week we do have Salesforce training on prospecting new clients, how to use your outreach. There's so many trainings that you can do. They have LinkedIn courses to really strengthen up your selling skills and your people skills to gain those new clients and gain those new appointments. So, every week you feel like you're sending out a proposal. One thing I do love about AT&T is they have great benefits. I'm a father of two. I got two girls. Gotta have that dental, vision, health care. You never know when your child wants to get sick.
The AT&T benefit that I value the most is probably the company paid phone and data plan. It allows me to keep everything separate, stay organized, and be able to reach my customers.
They give you everything that you need to be equipped to have a great lifestyle, for not just for you, but for your family. I just love this company.